Hello, I'm Rebecca of Orange Korea telling you everything about Korea. Do you like Korean food such as 떡볶이, 삼계탕, 불고기, bibimbap, and samgyeopsal? There is a unique culture of Korean food that many people enjoy and taste. So I prepared this. Today's theme is 8 unique food culture in Korea. First, many Koreans enjoy eating pajeon and makgeolli on rainy days. In July 2021, a South Korean chain of convenience stores unveiled the sales rate of makgeolli during the rainy season. Compared to non-rainy days, sales of makgeolli on rainy days increased by 43.3%. What does it have to do with makgeolli on a rainy day? Shall we talk about makgeolli and pajeon? Makgeolli is a traditional Korean liquor fermented with rice. Since its fermented alcohol is rich in lactobacillus, pajeon is a scallion pancake made from wheat flour, various vegetables, and seafood. Then why do Koreans eat makgeolli and pajeon on rainy day? The reason is simple. It is really yummy. Eating delicious food makes us feel very good, but today's point is the food on a rainy day. When it rains, the amount of sunshine decreases. Less sunlight makes people feel depressed. However, eating pajeon helps relieve depression by increasing carbohydrate metabolism. In addition, seafood such as squid in pajeon contains taurine, which is greatly help to recover from fatigue. Lactobacillus in makgeolli also has the effect of improving digestion. For that reason, Koreans eat pajeon and makgeolli on rainy days. Second, Korea has very good food delivery culture. In Korea, there are various delivery service apps such as Baemin, Yogiyo, Coupang Eats, 배달통, and Wemap. Food delivery is common in Korea. It is more active after the corona pandemic. Even at Hangang Park, not at home, you can order food on the delivery service app. You can order almost all kinds of food. Almost all the food in Korea is delivered to your mouth quickly. Third, if you order fresh food before 11 p.m., you can receive it by 7 a.m. the next day. This is similar to the delivery service app. In Korea, you can order fresh food by parcel service. Korea is also the heaven of milky food. Milky food contains partially prepared ingredients for homemade meals. Korean people order various kinds of milky food and fresh food by parcel service. You may think, what's unique and different? It is time. You will be surprised to receive the package by no later than 7 a.m., which you order before midnight. I really love fast and efficient overnight fresh food delivery service. First, Korean internet cafes serve food. Korean internet cafes are famous for good facility. However, the peculiarity of Korean internet cafe is not good facility. The peculiarity of Korean internet cafe is you can eat food. I'm not talking about simple food such as snacks or drinks. Like a general restaurant, you serve food such as ramen, fried rice, and pork cutlet. Koreans tend to do everything quickly. That's why Koreans can't stop playing games in PC room and go to restaurant. Strangely enough, Koreans have a disposition to play games and eat at the same time. If side dishes are free at Korean restaurants, side dishes are free at most restaurants in Korea. Even side dishes are refilled again free of charge. If you order Korean table d'hote, you'll be surprised to see the rich and wide array of side dish plate. You can eat no end of various Korean food. Another good thing about Korean restaurant is you don't need to give a tip. Korean restaurants don't get a tip. Don't worry about tips when you come to Korea. 6. In Korea, scissors and tongs are used to cut food. Scissors and tongs are usually on the table at most Korean restaurants. Don't be surprised to find them. Korean people use scissors to cut food. For example, when you order samgyeopsal, which is grilled pork belly, restaurant staff naturally give you scissors and tongs. Korean pork belly is cut using scissors and tongs. Not only pork belly, but also any other long food like noodles or kimchi, scissors are commonly used in Korea when cutting food. 7. Koreans enjoy drinking beer when eating chicken. An article reports that 70% of Koreans eat chicken once a week. Like this, Koreans' love for chicken is real. On the days of a sports game, the whole family gathered to order chicken and watch the sports game together. With fried chicken, Korean people drink 맥주, which is beer. Korean call the combination of chicken and 맥주 치맥. It is very common to see and listen the compound word of 치맥 in Korean dramas. Most popular idol group in Korea advertise chicken. In Korea, the fact to be a model of chicken advertisement itself is a measure of popularity. Ace, Koreans put rice on the left and soup on the right when eating meals. It's the same even in restaurants. Cafeterias in schools, hospital, company, and military use a similar food tray. Why? Koreans put rice on the left and soup on the right. That's because of the Korean ritual culture. Koreans hold a memorial service to commemorate their dead ancestor on holidays. On the ancestral right table, rice is put on the right and soup is placed on the left. In the case of the dead, the position of rice and soup is opposite of that of the living. So when people who are alive have a meal, rice is put on the left and soup is placed on the right. Today, I talk about 8 unique food culture in Korea. Please keep that in mind when you eat in Korea. Let me summarize today's topic quickly. First, many Koreans enjoy eating pajeon and makgeolli on rainy days. Second, Korea has a very good food delivery culture. So, if you order fresh food before 11 p.m., you can receive it by 7 a.m. the next day. First, Korean internet cafe serve food. Fifth, side dishes are free at Korean restaurant. Sixth, in Korea, scissors and tongs are used to cut food. Seventh, Koreans enjoy drinking beer when eating chicken. Eighth, Koreans put rice on the left, soup on the right when eating meals. Today, you know about Korea's unique food culture. Like this, All in Korea will continue to try to help many people understand Korean culture. This has been All in Korea's real Korean woman Rebecca, who tells you everything about Korea. Subscription and alarm settings are love. Please flex like you. That's it, the end.